Here is the app called TRUEL. Share, snap, meet people, jot, chat, make new friends in real life. Recording should be this simple. Life is made of countless small but beautiful moments, but reach the rich aroma of the first sip of your morning coffee. So this is the kind of social app. Let's just take a look at it. I haven't used it before. Seems to be like single developer app. Maybe this is alternative to Be Real or something like that. Capture times fragments, so every now leaves a trace. Write today, meet tomorrow self, and then you can just easily create an account with Facebook, Apple, or email. So let's just try it out. So now you can jot your days, share your life with friends, and find out what's going on around you. And then you can then just post it. Seems you still need to add some photos. All right, so you need to add a photo in here. And then you will just see how you post it. So it's kind of like similar to Be Real. Okay. And then you have your account. You have your settings. You can delete your account. You have your profile. So the idea is that you just post these, moments, and then you have your gallery, and then you have how many people jotted now, and then this is kind of like your online diary, and then you can see memories. It's kind of like different version of Instagram. There are all of these apps which are trying to become another Instagram or so. So all of these apps in here, and then you have just like this, and then you can just you can comment, you can say hi to that person, block or report, and that's just the idea. And then you have messages. So there you have it. And then if you want, you can upgrade and become VIP. So 1 week $13, 1 month $20, 3 months $39. So not a cheap app. And that's what you have. So you can get additional 1,000 coins per month to direct say hi daily VIP membership badge. So that's basically what you have in here. So yeah, that's the app. They don't have any referral codes and white codes. Otherwise, I would share it with you. So yeah, TRUEL, share, snap, meet people. Try it out.